There is a new stealth model out that seems to actually be really good. I think the first one to post about it was OpenCode, saying they have this new OX Alpha stealth model and it's free for the next week. And I think they have generous rate limits, so it's nearly unlimited usage. And then later on, OpenRouter also, I guess maybe around the same time, announced it, so you can get it free through OpenRouter or OpenCode. Amazing. The speed seems slow today on OpenRouter, at least 27 tokens per second. But let's see, like I saw Ben Davis was shilling it and they said like it's smashing all the benchmarks that they tested it on, so that's pretty exciting. They're pretty sure it's GLM. I think I've seen that a lot, but they're saying it's actually beaten GPT-5.6 and Sol on 10 tasks on DeepSeek. So yeah, there could be a lot of variance, but it seems like it's definitely up there as one of the smarter models. So let's go. Let's test it out. Um, I want to test out a few different things. So I have this video, which is just so like I mainly use the Codex app for just a short video, nothing special. And I want to test computer use with CUA Driver through Pi with a bunch of different models and see how that goes. And I do want to test out this new model as well. So let's open a new agent session or some shit. Where are all these? Okay, so interesting. Pi sessions. I think I was testing DeepSeek Flash before through OpenCode because it was free. Also slow, but you know, whatever. I think I'm going to close all of these. This is Claude. Okay, let's just start a new one here in Pi. Let's make this big. Let's just get the latest Pi too. They should make an opt-in auto update. I don't know if they got that. Okay. Let's see if I can get this model on OpenRouter. I'm not sure if my Pi works like that. Doesn't look like I do. I wonder if I can just manually type it. I don't know if that works. We will find out. Let me try to open Chrome here. Okay. Doesn't want to open. Stealth/OX alpha. I'm not sure if I can do this. No, it'll just bring up I still haven't found a good way to get like dynamic model loading here. Dynamic model failed. Okay. So I tried to download an extension to help me do this. And it failed. All right, let me just ask do I have open code? Let me I'm gonna run my own 9 router instance here. All right, let's just run Luna here. Or like, can you add to my Pi model list? I think I need to re-authenticate my codex on OpenRouter, on 9 router. The fuck? Codex. It should be off. Let's try that again. Whoa. Nope. All right, let's try. Let's just try OpenRouter free. Can you add boop? Whoop. All right. I wonder what model this will use. I think we can see an activity. DeepSeek Flash. Now the thing. Oh, actually, yeah. So I think OpenRouter's OX Alpha should be unlimited too. I was about to say it could be limited with their free tier, but it's actually not part of their free tier thing. It just is a free normal model. So yeah, it should be free. Let's see. Yo, Anis, doing well. How are you, man? Thanks for dropping in. We're trying out this new OX Alpha stealth model, hopefully. I still haven't been okay. Maybe that's something we can search with like ChatGPT while this adds it. Let's go. I am having issues like dynamically loading in models into my Pi harness model picker.
Seems kinda high-tech name, lol.
I've installed an extension for it, like dynamic model router or something, but it still doesn't work. What's the best way to do this? I cannot directly modify your Pi model list as it requires administrative access to the models.json. Huh. It says I can confirm OpenRouter OX Alpha is already present because of the free. No, dude. And his DeepSeek Flash model sucks. All right, we'll just let's ask Codex or Claude.
Oh, by the way, for everyone watching, me and my team are looking for a senior mid-backend dev.
All right, just hit up Anis if you need a job as a senior backend dev. Yeah, I'm gonna ask Claude.
You. Gang.
Yo, Revant, what's up, man?
WTF.
What's up, Soundwaves? Thanks for jumping in, gang. Your peas? Prove it. Okay. Okay. Pi.dep. I might stand up here. You know. Use Pi's new dynamic catalog lifestyle. Pi update -- models. Could not refresh model catalogs for Codex. I think that's okay. What about the other? What about the other models? Model OX, OX, Alpha, Stealth. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I get it. The hell are all these models? Oh, that's Kira. Yeah, I don't know why. I tried the update models and I can't see. Oh my god, I can't type here. Okay. Claude says it added it for me. Let's see. Model. Stealth. Yes. All right. Thank you, Claude. Let's see if it works. Oh man, it's slow though. Sorry. It's super slow. Okay. Let me see if it can upload this video. So I just exported this video. I'm going to copy the file path and be like stage to YouTube with, okay, that's the prompt. Stage this video to YouTube. Let's see how it goes. Okay, yep, we have a skill ready to post, copy skill. It decided to read the content creator ops skill, which I think is fine, and the ready to post skill. Okay, good. I think I can go Control O to expand and collapse. Yeah, I installed a Pi extension called like, I forget what it's called, but it collapses all the tool calls to one line by default, which I find it easier to just view. Then I can always Control O to see the expanded. Okay, so this should like transcribe the file and post it on YouTube. Well, did I say post it? I think I said stage it on YouTube. Yeah, stage it on YouTube. So just like upload it, but don't hit post. While that's going, we can like load another video so we can test kind of the same workflow with a different model to see if this stealth model is good at computer use. So for this, I'm assuming it's going to use the CUA driver, macOS CUA. Daemon's off. I don't know if that's going to be an issue. We'll see. Let's see. So I mainly use the Codex app for all my agents. Aren't skills just like appended context?
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do this one.
You can simplify.
Well, this is the.
Oh, I think This should have had the waveform. I just introduced this like waveform thing in the segments, but I assume maybe it didn't backfill all the already rendered ones. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen this, is my new. Oh no, it did. It just came through now. Awesome. It's my new video editor. I use this part to kind of arrange the vertical crops, and there's an easy way I could do that with layouts. You can see here I have all these layout templates, and I do like AJ left vertical zoomed out. So let's try that one. That's kind of what I've been rolling with at the moment. And we can kind of expand this and do this to that. This is my new layout.
Yo, you're on OpenRouter. Free, it's just routing a model that might fix your task.
Yo, Freecaster, what's up? OpenRouter dash free. Am I? Did I not switch? Hold on, let's check. No, I'm on stealth. I'm on stealth alpha now. Yo, you're on OpenRouter free. It's just routing a model that might fit. Oh, right. Before, yeah, I think it was routing to DeepSeek Flash before. That's what I was checking the activity.
Revive Berra game.
Yes, Revive Berry game. That's coming up for sure. Let's check the models. Still only says DeepSeek Flash today. Is there a way I can see today? Usage by model. Explore. Roll up daily, top 10, expand. 1 month. Past, let's go past hour.
My stream was way behind Ha.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so it looks like you're right. It actually did route me to a bunch of different free models. And none of them were DeepSeek Flash, so I was wrong about that. But I'm pretty sure we're on OX Alpha now. Or at least I hope we are. Doesn't really give us much details in terms of token usage, but I guess we could probably last 15 minutes. Okay. We'll check again in like 10 minutes, and we should only say OX Alpha, and that's the model I'm trying to use.
I tried stealth, Ox Alpha, but no bueno.
Oh, no bueno? Yeah, I'm hearing mixed things on X. Some people saying not good, some people saying good. Let's see how it goes with this. I mean, it's definitely slow, I think. I think the 29 tokens per second is like hella slow. Someone in chat was saying, yeah, Gemini 3.7 Flash is 75% off, and I think it's really fast. Let's have a look. Yeah, dude, you get 140 tokens per second. So I'll definitely try that.
Yeah, very slow.
I think I actually have Gemini 3.7 Flash through, yeah, we do, through anti-gravity, supposedly. Yeah, so I'm gonna render one more video, and we're gonna test the same prompt but with a different video path. With Gemini, and we'll also let this stealth thing cook. It's definitely very slow, like pretty much unusable at this stage. I mean, that's what I said to Dex. Yeah, okay. So let me just get this video out, checking the crops and stuff. At some point, it becomes a collection of contain. Yeah. What I think I like this layout here. So I'm actually going to save this layout. Talking head bottom. Whatever. And then apply that to all. Okay. Appended context, yeah. So that's the first thing I do is I crop, I guess. Actually, sometimes I do transcript first. But yeah, the second part of editing is the transcript base. So I'll put this back here and then look at the transcript. Art skills, just like appended context. Yeah, you can simplify them to that. Skills are just packages, but a lot of the day it's just like instructions on how to do something. And then what's this? Gate. You have a Docker contain DeepSeek as an assistant. Oh shit, nice. What harness are you running for that? Okay, I think this is kind of like the next segment. What is a harness? So harness is what takes a model and lets it run on a loop to like harness, scaffold, model and stuff. At some point, okay, I think we can delete this. Everything in a loop, yeah. I mean, that's kind of like what these harnesses are. They're just loops back to the LLM.
What are you doing
with tool
looping?
calls. Dude, skills are cool. I just made my first one. Nice. Telling the AI to run notify send to give me a notification when it's done a task. Nice. Yeah, I have something similar. And then I can utilize Control Z a lot. Good shit. Yeah, I think we can delete that one too.
Hi.
And this one. Yo, THM. What am I doing? Looping? Right now, I am editing a video. I was talking about loops in the source video. But yeah, I'm taking this clip from my live stream, making it vertical. This is my new editing workflow that I've built for myself. And there's like 2 buttons here I'm going to press, like remove every pause and remove the ums and ahs.
But man,
and
one
then
question.
Render final. Yeah, go ahead. What's the question? We waiting. And then I'm also testing the new stealth model.
Loop is better or the skill?
Which is still going.
Or the goal?
Loop,
Hi, what do you
skill,
think abs DeepSeek
or goal?
harness?
I don't know. Honestly, like comparing loop to goal, I don't really know what the difference is. I mean, like I use mostly Codex and they don't have a /loop, they just have a /goal. And then skills are like a different thing that I wouldn't compare. So I'm not really sure the best way to answer that. What do I think about DeepSeek harness? Yeah, I mean it seems amazing. It seems pretty early too. I tried it, I don't know, a week ago or less, and I couldn't even like type into the input field. So I just uninstalled it. But yeah, we got people in the Discord which are loving it. Vova. I think the coolest thing is like you can build your own plugins and like front end stuff with it. So let me see if I can find Vova's post this morning.
That's awesome. The comments
Here.
show up on the screen.
Yeah, if I highlight them, they will. There's also TTS, which I just turned off, but I can bring it back. So yeah, this is the DeepSeek harness, Dr. Vova. Shout out to them, like a MVP in my Discord server. Built this sidebar, which doesn't come with the DeepSeek harness by itself, but you can build your own user interface like components into the DeepSeek harness, which I think is really cool. And then being able to support any model, really cool too. How do I do the chat on screen? This is using software, open source software called Social Stream. It combines my chats and also lets me have cool overlays like what you just saw. So shout out to Steve Seguin, who's the creator of the Social Stream. Okay. So yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, you can just go to techfriend.net. And then now I also have techfriend.net/Discord. And if you're on Twitch, you can go !Discord, and it should pop it in the chat. I'm completely new.
Well, I'm completely new to it, but yeah, I already build a notification when chats are done.
Nice.
But IDK, I think I will run out of ideas, son.
Yeah, that's okay. I mean, I like to have a minimalistic approach. Like, only add something if you need it. Otherwise, things get bloated and you lose accuracy generally. Yeah, okay, so this Stealth Alpha has been on this same tool call for a long time. So at this stage, I'm pretty much going to call it like too slow to even be viable, honestly. Yeah. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. keep going. We're going to support you. Give us your website. Yeah, as I said, the website techfriend.net, techfren.net. All my links are there, so please subscribe, follow, join the Discord. Would love to see you there. Oh no, did I close the hook ledger tab? The editor? Seems like I might have. Okay, it's still rendering. Okay, sweet, because it's a server-side app. All right, so this video's still rendering, I think. We'll wait for that to finish. Try it from OpenCode instead of OpenRouter. Okay. It's probably not a bad idea. Let's see if I can do that through 9router. What is my 9router URL? Providers, OpenCode free. What is it? OX alpha? Let's see if that works. Nope. 0x alpha? Nope. Why won't it let me get from there? Is there Big Pickle powered by it? I don't think so. Open code model names. Wait, what's open code base URL maybe? Zen? Aha! It's not here. Stealth/OX alpha. Okay, it's this. Wait, let me see if it comes up here. Aha, okay. OX alpha dash free. Figs was right.
I'm trying to analyze my home lab to improve it RN and it works pretty damn well. Never had so much fun with LLMS.
Damn, that one didn't work. Maybe I need an OC in front of it? I don't think so. No. I don't know why I can't pick it up in open code free. Yo, Kachorik, how is it you only have a few people on live? I think the way that I stream to TikTok doesn't like it. I don't know. That's my guess. Or maybe my shit's just boring. Who knows? Okay, so how are you guys using the OpenCode? Are you using it with OpenCode CLI? Yo, Dissect, what's up? How do I get the free model? I'm currently just using it through OpenRouter. So yeah, it's on OpenRouter for free. But it's hella slow, man. I've been waiting for the same tool call for a long time. So note that. I think you still use it without adding the model to 9router. Yeah, which harness are you using it in, Figs? I still haven't figured out how to properly load models dynamically into PyHarness. Is it the new GLM53 Flash? People are speculating it is the GLM, but there's no official announcement onto what the model is. It's still like stealth. So yeah, we don't know. Yeah. Give me one sec, guys. So I wanted to test Gemini. All right, let me see if I've got this. Aren't skills just like... Oh, I forgot to add captions. Oh yeah, adding captions is super easy too. I think I go into story. Where is captions? Maybe inspect. Let's see. Captions. Burn captions. Oh, it was already meant to be there. I guess we should put it here. And then I'll render that again. Apparently Kimi K3 won in arena testing right now. Nice. Dude, we're getting so many new models. Let's go. Okay. I guess while this is all loading, I did want to revive Berry Game. So I'm going to open a new project here. New project. And we're going to find the folder for it. Here we go. Berry Game. We'll call it Berry Game. What agent? Blank terminal. New worktree is behind main. Main is 2 gets behind. Okay, let's check out main. Also need to go to the toilet, kind of. I'm gonna get Claude to update me on all the changes we have made to this project over time. Give me a nicely readable timeline. Okay. Yeah, it's been a while since I've touched this project, so we're going to get an update on how that's going. And then I think I might go to the toilet real quick. I'll read this last chat message. OC X preview F3. Is this it? I have no idea what that is. Maybe 1 or 2. Between what? I don't know. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta bounce to the toilet. Oh shit, Claude made an artifact. That's cool. Alright, let's check this out. Don't forget about oatmeal. I had my oatmeal already. Okay, so the Berry Game build log. It's been in development for 3 years. Crazy. Okay, started in 2022. Let's pick up from 2025. Okay. Harvesting works, def logic, new backend, systems weekend, 4 berry types, combat rework. Okay. Where it stands. Okay. 11 branches still open. World building. Skill system with shield and force field. Weapon system with... So, okay, good. Those are on other branches. That's good to know. I'm going to say analyze the back end. How does it work and what are the weaknesses? So I have a really interesting backend for this project. It's like on serverless lambdas on AWS, which makes it really cheap to run when no one's using it, but it makes like a lot of persistence stuff unoptimal, suboptimal. So thinking about like changing the backend up. Okay. And also I think our video editor would have finished. So yeah. Let's see this video. Aren't skills just like appended context? Yeah. You can simplify them to that. Skills are packages that first. Yo, you know, actually, I'd like to try some animation tests with these different models. And I low key like because Stealth Alpha is taking so long. I want to try close these. I want to try Gemini 3.7 Flash. Let's see if that'll work. Apparently it's like 70% off. Okay, inside Pi. Let's see what providers I have for 3.7 Flash already. Model 3.7 Flash. Okay. I have it on Gemini on the Outpost. I also have it on my local router. Supposedly I also have anti-gravity. I don't know if this will work. Let's try it. So I want to say this is the video. I want you to create visual animations to go with this. They should be on top above the floating head and not cover the floating head. Bonus. Yeah, okay, no, that's fine. So we're gonna go with that prompt. Okay, so anti-gravity does not seem to work. Anyone know a good way to copy the contents of the prompt? That would be an interesting thing to know. Okay, let's try a different model. I think I'm gonna just use AI Studio on my local router. Actually, let's try AI Studio with I don't think it'll work, but with my remote router. Yeah, okay. Didn't work either. So pretty sure my local AI Studio would work. This one. Okay, I think that's working. So I want to test a few different models out with how they go about making animations for a video that isn't even transcribed yet. We'll see. Damn, even 3.7 Flash is seemingly slow. All right, what if we also run a Grok with a Q model or a Cerebrus model? Yo, let me actually check Cerebrus. Do they have a free tier? I think they might. Is there Cerebrus here? Yes. Why is their logo this? Paygo, all your keys are unchanged. A payment method to get $5 credits. Oh, that's nice. Let me see if I can make a new key. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's go to OpenRouter. Add my key. Okay. Now, you know, people have been saying use OmniRouter. And now for once, I'm like, okay, this doesn't have something I want. And that is just to get the model IDs with /models. Like, why isn't that an option here? It's because it doesn't have the base URL and it's doing some kind of weird other thing. I don't know. Oh, we can see the models here. Gemma 4. Yeah, let's do Gemma 4. Do they have that in 9router? They don't. This is an issue. Loki, want to try OmniRouter. OmniRoute. People are saying this is better. It looks so similar. I'm pretty sure it's a fork of 9router. If their Cerebrus logo is up to date, that would say something. I mean, it seems pretty good and popular. I might just try it. I might just try it. All right, we're going to have both of them running. OmniRoute and 9router. I feel like OmniRoute should be called OmniRouter, maybe. I don't know. Oh shit, Loin0 is now a tech friend. Amazing. Thank you, Loin0. Drop a message in the chat. How do I become good at programming like you? You don't even need to be good at programming. You just gotta know systems. You learn. I learned by doing mostly. I think that's the best way to learn this kind of technical stuff. Just try to build something that you're interested in, and then as you're going, if you don't understand anything, be very curious. Ask these agents. Use an agent all the time. Keep talking to it. Ask it, how do you do these things? Okay, so they tried to run at the same port as 9router. I'm gonna close out 9router and let's run OmniRoute. And okay, here we go. This is the first time I'm running OmniRoute. Default password is change me unless initial password is set. Okay. Quick start, create an API key. Let's see if they got Cerebrus. Oh, this is for itself. Okay, let's just generate a key. Allow this key to C shared upstream coda. Sure. Allow usage command. Sure. Allow this API key to manage. Okay, sure. This is just like the master API key. Endpoints. All right, let's see. They have Cerebrus providers. Nice, and they have the right logo. Okay. Let me try add my Cerebrus key. Great, that works. Imported 2 models. Okay, yeah, so it imported straight away, and we have the Gemma model. Yeah, OmniRoute might be better than 9Router. I think I'm gonna switch. What do you mean by unlimited free models? I think I said unlimited free module, and that I was referring to this OX Alpha stealth model, which is currently free, unlimited, no rate limits through open code, and there might be limits in OpenRouter, but yeah, pretty much unlimited. Gonna have to switch. Yeah, I think that's a move, man. Everyone in my comments was telling me OmniRoute is better than 9Router. And, you know, it's not that I didn't believe them. It's like I had no issues with 9Router, so I didn't switch. And then just today, this issue, it's such a simple issue. The import from models doesn't work in a lot of providers on 9Router. And also their Cerebrus logo was wrong. So OmniRouter, which is this correct Cerebrus logo, I think, is it the correct Cerebrus logo? Yeah, it is. Has the import for models, and that's like, okay, that's already won me over. So we might just be migrated from OmniRoute, from 9Router to now OmniRoute. They have so many other things I haven't looked into. But yeah, anyway. How is that possible, and why, and for what time span? Firstly, I think they did it to get like attention. If something's unlimited and free and does decent in benchmarks, a lot of people are going to use it, and they're going to get a lot of data, and that's what they want. They want data. They want to see where it works, where it doesn't work. OpenAI did this with some of their models ages ago. Before they released it, they want to get data to see like how they can improve it, and then they do a public launch. Yeah, that's one reason. And then how long, for what time span? I don't think they said. I think it seems like at least a week, but I could be wrong. Okay. So yeah, I want to try Gemma through Cerebrus. And then I don't want to keep changing my Pi config to load in new providers and models. So I want to try fix that somehow. Let's do it through ChatGPT voice. I feel like that'll be fun. Let's see if I can go Luna High. I don't think I can. I think the voice defaults to like something else. Oh, and projects. Go documents. Got something in my teeth. Hey, so I'm using the pi.dev harness, and I'm really having troubles like easily bringing in new providers, new model names. I'm also using OmniRoute, which is running locally on port something. Let me try find it. Port 20128.
Okay, let me check that.
Yeah, you see here, when you go voice mode, it always goes Terra Light.
I couldn't see the local router details on the screen. Is it running that local host on port 20,128?
I think I can take an app shot here. Okay, I can't delete one of the... Okay, yeah, I can. I just go scroll right. Boom, I can send that screenshot into live voice.
Yep, confirmed. OmniRoute's running on that local port. Your quickest path is to point pi.dev at OmniRoute's single open AI compatible endpoint.
Yeah, so I don't want
add our
to
import
mess
models.
with like changing the config files in pi.dev. There should be some extension that can easily load from multiple providers, whatever models are available. Can you help me debug this? Running commands if you need. I have Pi installed already. Let's do it.
Sure, I'll take a look.
And I guess if it doesn't exist, I think it's very possible and simple to make. So we could make the Pi extension to actually like fix this problem. Yeah, okay. So we'll have that. I think I just got a notification from Orca. Oh shit. Okay, the stealth model finished staging YouTube. Staged and ready. All right, let's see.
All right, I found the issue. Pi already has a local dynamic router models extension, and it's picking up 125 OmniRoute models automatically. So that part's working. The warning spam is coming from an
Oh.
old allow list of direct provider names. I've removed that and let the extension be the single source of truth. Want me to clean that up now?
Oh, that sounds great. Yeah, do that. But actually, like,
Okay,
yeah, actually, no. Okay, go. Yeah, go ahead.
on it.
Okay. Supposedly, chat's gonna fix it. I don't know. We'll see. And then also, supposedly, the Alpha Zero staged my YouTube video. Let's have a look. Nope. There is no
Done.
new short
Pi now
stage.
starts cleanly, and the OmniRoute catalog is driving the model list dynamically. Add anything in OmniRoute, restart Pi, and it'll show up without more config edits.
Oh, never mind. So it made the copy, but it didn't stage the YouTube. Why I still pay $200 for Codex? Description, hook, timestamp, beat, search keywords. Huh? And then it also made the cover photo. Why I pay 200. Honestly, like pretty crappy. So I'm not gonna tell it to stage it. Let's see if we can compare it with some other model. Supposedly we have the OmniRouter models. Nope, not yet. Yo, Paul, what's up, man? Yeah, new stealth model today. OX Alpha. People are saying it's a new GLM. I wanted to try it out. It's super slow and didn't do too well on my first prompt. And I'm going to compare it to another model once I get it working. And I have... Okay, so it says, can you confirm that you can see the new OmniRouter models inside Pi?
Let me check that for you.
Because I'm pretty sure I can't. If I go /model...
Confirmed. Pi currently sees 125 live OmniRoute models, including the new routed entries like Gemini, GPT, Claude, and the automatic coding routes.
I'm only seeing 17 models when I go /models in Pi.
That's interesting. Let's take a closer look.
Yo, Lon, you have a repo you want my opinion on? Sure, send it through.
That's the already running Pi session with its cached 17 model picker, and the failed refresh is only for the OpenAI Codex provider. Quit and relaunch Pi once, and it should come up with the 125 OmniRoute models.
Yeah, I did quit and reopen it. And
Let me
still.
check again. Since a fresh Pi process can see the full catalog, this looks like a mismatch in the config directory or launch environment used by your interactive session.
Can you fix the codex issue? I think we can remove the codex things. And also check this. Can you see this app shot I just sent? Or
Sure,
I
I'll
guess
take a look.
it's in my ZSH. Yeah, I'm still not getting the new models. Okay, let's check out this project here.
I can see the Orca app shot. It confirms the extension is loaded, but the session's still on a direct DeepSeek model and carrying still Codex entries.
One authenticated UI for a single Linux user, metrics, Docker, process logs, real shell files, Git, database, reverse proxy, firewall, backups, deploy. Okay, so it's like a dashboard for managing a VPS or even your local, I guess. Yeah, man, this is sick.
Here's the mismatch. Orca launches Pi 0.84.2, and that build sees the full 125 OmniRouter models. In your picker screenshot, the selected
Having trouble
scope
with a
is
huge
scoped, which
database
intentionally
project and
limits the
each
list to
change is taking
17.
too long. What do you suggest?
Huge database project and each change is taking too long. Yeah, I guess you can look at why. First, the first task would be probably diagnosing what is causing it to take so long, and then find the biggest bottlenecks and try to reduce those. I'd suggest. Confirms. Here's the mismatch. Orca launches Pi
The
0.8242.
OpenAI Codex warning also is separate from OmniRouter. In the live picker, press tab to switch from scoped to all, and the OmniRouter catalog will appear.
Your pick a screenshot. Scoped. What? Oh,
And for the ZSH
I didn't realize there was a
error
scope
shown in
here.
Orca, one line in your shell config defines a Codex alias that conflicts with Orca's Codex wrapper. Replacing it with a shell function keeps your usual flags and clears the startup failure.
All right, we have Cerebrus Gemma 4. I'm going to give it the exact same task I
Fixed
gave.
that conflict. The Codex startup errors are gone, and Pi and Orca now detects all 125 OmniRouter models. Press tab in the picker to switch scoped to all.
Great, yeah, that tab thing worked. I have a question about the Pi harness. Is there a default way to see how long the previous agent turn took? Or is there like an official extension I can download to get that?
Let me check that.
I want to make it as user-friendly as possible and also to add some AI features. Awesome, dude. I love it. Yeah. Keep building. Do you like building? And then if you want to go past building,
Not by default. Session shows
make
tokens and
content
costs, but not turn duration.
and ads.
And I
Get
didn't find an
users.
official timing extension. Pi does expose turn start and turn end hooks, so a small local extension can show it. Want me to add that?
Yeah, add it.
Okay, I'll add it.
Okay, so we're making our own extension for Pi to show the agent turns. There's probably already one. Let's have a look. Pi agent turn time. Pi agent time. Okay, down the bottom. Oh, is that like whole
Added
session?
and verified. In Pi, the status area now shows turn running, then last turn with the elapsed time, restart Pi, or just run reload once to load it.
Pi execute. Okay, let's see if I can run reload on this and will it tell me? Reload keybinds. Where should I see the timer? If I reload an existing session, should it show?
You'll see it in Pi's status area. After a reload, it'll show up on the next turn, not retroactively.
Okay. In the status area. Okay, okay. Okay. You love building. I don't see myself making content. Yeah, I think like a lot of builders can share that sentiment. 21 tokens per second for OX Alpha. Yeah, dude, it's too slow for me. All right, we're gonna try Cerebrus Gemma 4, which is the opposite. This should be like 1,000 tokens per second, literally 1,000 tokens per second. So let's see. Model Gemma. Oh, see, for some reason it starts at scoped. Okay, Cerebrus Gemma. We're going to give the same prompt. Stage to YouTube. I wanted to actually put it on YouTube as well. Let's see if it does that. Oh, payment required to access this. Okay. You know, I'm just going to add my payment method to Cerebrus. Wait, but it's pay as you go. Will they charge me heaps? Possibly so. Let's see. Did I apply for Cerebrus Soul? Is there somewhere I can apply for that? I definitely do want it. Okay, I've added a payment method. Hold up. I'm gonna add a billing address too. Damn, they have a minimum purchase account of $10. That's all right. I'm gonna give $10 to Cerebrus. They've been hosting some great events. Oh, I have the GPT voice now too. All right. Let's see. Let's see if that worked. Oh, I think I can just put the same prompt. Nope. I have a new API key. I don't know if that makes a difference. Oh. Okay. Let's see if that worked. Okay, looks like that's working. All right, 1,000 tokens per second. Gemma 4 running on Cerebrus. Let's see. Pretty damn fast. Also, I wonder how much this is going to cost. I have a lot of things in the footer here. This turn running. Seems like all the extensions just go in the footer. Yeah, Supernova, I was there. Gemma is ass. Compared to like the frontier models on complex tasks, yes. But for something like just coming up with copy and image for a video, it could be good. Boom. Okay, this is definitely wrong. 1.2 seconds. I'm going to get... Can you uninstall the extension we just made for agent turns?
Sure, I'll remove that. I'm removing only the turn duration extension we added. Your model discovery extension stays as is. Removed. Run reload in any open Pi session to unload it right away.
Okay, and then I'm trying to look for a good one I can just use. That one. Can you look to see if you can find any on GitHub that have more than, 10 stars and more than 3 contributors?
On GitHub?
Yeah.
Let me check.
Yo, Quen 27B. I don't think I've tried it yet, but we'll try it. We'll try it today on the same task. I just want a nice agent turn time. I think
I found one well-supported option, but not an exact per-turn timer. Pi agent extensions look solid, 57 stars and 4 contributors, and it has a polished footer with a running session timer and a lot of extras, just not last turn duration. Pi timestamps does the exact per message timing, but it's only 3 stars and 1 contributor. So I don't have a GitHub pick that hits all of those constraints.
Okay, for Pi timestamps, can you just like audit that one a bit more? Look at the. Okay, it's just one file. It should be okay. Okay, Pi timestamps. Estimate how long a learning process. So will it give me agent turns, elapsed time, prompt time, timing widget, response time, duration? Okay. Okay, I think this is good. Let's get Pi timestamps by EENGAD. Let's install that one.
All right, I'll take care of it.
Yeah, did you get a message filtered? Yeah, YouTube filters like any links or a bunch of stuff. Can you try Oh My Pi? Yeah, I've heard a lot of great things about OMP. Sweet Potet in our Discord uses it.
It audits clean in scope. One TypeScript
could use it.
extension, no runtime depths, no network calls, just turn timing and a message timeline command.
No.
Installed and validated Pi timestamps. Run reload in Pi to activate it. You'll get a live timer, completed durations, and timestamps for message timing history.
Okay, we have Pi timestamps. Yeah, OMP actually could have a lot of this stuff too. Thanks for the suggestion. Let's have a look. I don't think they have times. Yeah, it doesn't look like they do by default. I mean, they'll have a lot of great things by times, but I kind of want to build my own thing on top of Pi. If you're on Discord, you're all have a look. Yo, Tembagger, what's up? Okay. So Gemma finished in, I don't know, we couldn't get the time, but it was super fast. Let's have a look at the cover image they made. For some reason, it won't let me select it. Okay. It's weird it would let me select it there. Okay, just put it in the raw documents folder, which I'm not a huge fan of. All right, this is the cover Gemma made with GPT image. Why I pay 0. Interesting. Okay. And their title, why I still pay 200. Okay, so it's still got the same prompt, same title, and the description's actually more readable. But it didn't actually post it. So let's try a third model. What was the other model people said? Oh yeah, Quen 27B. Let's see if we can do that. Go all models, Quen 27B 3.8 on Grok. Oh no, that's 3.6. Okay, on OpenRouter. All right, we're gonna say the same prompt to stage the video to YouTube. Let's see what Quen does with it. And we have the timers now, so that's nice. This looks reasonably fast. Definitely not as fast as 1,000 tokens per second, but it looks better than 20. This could be like 60 or 50. Do I have a Codex custom watchdog running? No, I just have the Codex voice running. Is there something that makes you think I have like some other thing running? All right, let's see What did Freecaster post in Discord? Links dump? Oh, is that okay? Are you are you Freecaster? Trent? Let's see what this is. TPS. Oh, you got that TPS extension. Dude, that's good. I need that. Let's get Codex. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, thanks for that.
I'm adding the reference Pi extension after checking its source and compatibility with your current Pi install.
Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna delete the files Gemma made. Just because I don't kind of want them to be there.
Added and validated TPS. After reload, Pi will show a completion notice, but speed, token counts, cache use, and total runtime.
Nice. I feel like my footer is just gonna keep growing. Okay. YouTube procedure. Open the channel dashboard. Ooh, I think Quen is actually going to try to do the YouTube upload. Ooh, it's trying to list the other sessions it can talk to. Damn, this Quen model is pretty dope. Clipper, what's the advantage of coding in public for you? Compared to coding in stealth, I guess like you get eyes on it. Get people's opinions. I also make content as I just like making content for the sake of making content, so there's that too. Oceanias fan, what's up? Oceanese fan. What's Oceanese? Okay, looks like I might try to use CUA Driver now. I think that's the only kind of computer use or browser use I have connected to this Pi. So we'll see how it goes. The actual uploading of a file to, like, maybe not YouTube, but to some platforms is quite difficult for some of these models. Let's see how Quen does. So the window is also minimized. I don't know if that'll be an issue. Let's make this bigger for everyone at home. Oh, actually, now it's trying to use this Chrome. I guess that's fine. I'm now using Grokbot to make games. Awesome, dude. What kind of games are you making? Okay, it's able to see some window with Cerebrus tabs. It's looking for a YouTube Studio tab, but I don't have one open. There's no tool for new tab. Oh, wait. Yo, Norfell, what's up? What's cooking today? Yeah, we had a new model drop, OX Alpha, and I was testing that out. It's unlimited and free, so it was exciting, and it seemed like it was doing well, but it's super slow. So it's like became pretty much unusable for me. And now I'm testing out some other models. I first tested Gemma on Cerebrus at 1,000 tokens per second. It absolutely smashed through the task and pretty much did just as good, if not better, than the stealth model. So pretty much I just ruled out the stealth model from being viable from here on in. And then here on the right, the main active task is Quen 3.827b. People really like this model. And off the same prompt, it was the first one to actually go ahead and try to upload something to YouTube. So it's using my computer right now. I've told it to stage a video on YouTube. The first two agents, the first two models I tried this on, the stealth model OX Alpha and Gemma, they just made the copy and the thumbnail. They didn't actually go onto YouTube, but we can see here, Gemma has actually loaded the YouTube studio. Let's see if they go to use it. Wait for the dashboard to load, then take a snapshot. Okay, dashboard is loaded. Opening up the upload dialog. Oh shit, you can see that cursor? That's CUA Driver right there. Just press the create button in the top right. Oh, I'm looking a bit dark here. There we go. Okay. Now this is the moment of truth. A lot of agents actually struggle with uploading, the actual uploading. So let's see how this gun does. Grok 4.7 to come normally this month or early September? I have no idea. Gemma or Quen is uploaded. This is Quen right now. Quen 38, Quen 3.827b. I want to move this microphone. All right, we're still waiting on the upload. This is kind of the moment of truth. Does look like it's struggling with the upload. Okay, I've moved my microphone slightly. I think this is decent. Might be a bit better there. Does CUA keep a record of a successful task so it's faster next time? It does have this thing now called like record the history or something, computer history. But I'm not sure about much detail of the whole thing. GPT 5x 5.6 Luna in Codex free? No. I mean, you can use Codex for free on a free ChatGPT plan, I think, but you only get like one prompt. But the model isn't free in Codex. No, there's no like free models in Codex. I ended all my other AI subscriptions. I only have 3 left. The good ones: Runway for videos, Google Gemini, and 5 terabytes in Google Drive, and Super Grok Heavy. Damn. But that's still over $300, right? Right? At the moment, I think all my AI subs are less than $50 per month. How did I spend 2.2 billion tokens in Codex? I used /goal with Sol Ultra and told it to keep working with adversarial agents until I wake up the next morning at 10 a.m. or something. And it worked for like 12 hours or something. With like sub agents on ultra thinking or extra high. Spinksy, thanks for the follow. I'm turning on TTS. Feel free to speak your mind. Yeah, I think Quen is struggling to upload here. How long should we give it? Apparently it's been going since 11:14 a.m. 11 minutes. We'll give it 15 minutes. So 4 more minutes to upload a file. Can Quen do it? It's pressing the create and upload button well, I think, but the file picker is where it struggles with. Let's see. Clicking upload videos. Let's go. Come on, Quen. Yes. Okay. This is progress.
Your plan in ChatGPT free. Yay. In the video your plan free and spend 2.2 billion token per day. What are you doing?
Yeah, so sorry, in that video, the 2 billion tokens was when I was on the $200 plan, and then it expired. So the next day I was on free. No, I didn't spend the 2 billion on the free plan. What am I doing? I'm testing different models out with, right now the test is to upload something to YouTube. It looks like Quen actually solved it. It did struggle a bit, but it did solve it. It did upload the video to YouTube. Let's see if we can add the title text now.
What harness?
This is the Pi harness. And it's using CUA Driver, CUA Driver. I'm gonna quickly fill up my water bottle. I'll be back in a sec. Oh, nice! It did the title.
CUA Driver. Used to CC.
CUA Driver,
What's a
yeah.
driver in harness?
The CUA Driver is computer use agent. So that's what the CUA Driver is doing. So when you see that cursor flying around and clicking things, that's through CUA Driver.
Go Quen.
Wait, I should be able to move my arm to the right more.
So there is a bash driver as well.
The bash stuff is just like one of the tool calls Pi has. But don't tell me what the difference between a driver and a not driver is, though. I wouldn't be able to answer that. Let's go. Wait, why is there lyrics in this? I'm gonna write my own lyrics. I'm testing LLM. I'm testing all of them. I'm testing all of them. It's gotta be talking like that. I'm testing LLM. I'm testing all of them. Wait. Yo, I forgot. In you can upload audio. You can. Oh yes, dude. I'm gonna freestyle lyrics, and yeah, and then we're gonna turn it into a cool song. I'm testing LLM. I'm testing all of them. I'm talking to them one by one. I'm talking to their friends. I'm testing TPS. I'm texting all the context. I'm texting all these tokens and I don't even know what's next. I'm on to this, all of this, all the LLMs. If you got 'em, bring 'em with me because I'm about to test them. Then I'm testing LLMs. I'm testing all of them. Okay. Okay, keep going for better results. Wait. I'm testing LLM. All right, let's just see how this works. We could probably do something better, but singing voices drift across a velvet moonlit concert hall. All right. Okay, how's Quen doing? Oh, nice. It was pretty good. Except it's not $200. Boy, actually, I won't mess with it. Hold on. Just in case it's like, where did that two? Oop. Oh, okay. Phew. Oh, it's gonna add tags. It's cool it was able to do that in the other tab while I was on this tab. How would you describe your sound?
Ever tried Minimax Music 3?
Okay, so I've saved the sound, but AJ voice. No, I wanna upload. Wow, it's gonna have it in my voice. Wait. Record. Oh shit. I'm testing LLMs. I'm testing all of them. Large language models, 27 billion Quen. I'm testing 3.8. I'm copping all the hate. If they're stealth, I don't care. I'll test them, put them on my plate. I'm testing 5.6. I'm testing Sol and Luna. Terra, I don't want it if you don't on my computer. I'm testing open code. Big pickle, yeah, let's go. I'm testing all these models, you don't even know the skull. I'm testing Claude Opus. I'm testing Claude Fable. I'm testing Claude Haiku. You don't know what I enable. I'm putting them in goals. I'm putting them in loops. 2 billion tokens per day. That's how I'm breaking through. I'm burning all them tokens. I'm burning all this cash. I'm burning through this and I ain't even asked. All right, let's see. Burning tokens. Ever tried Minimax Music 3? I haven't. I've just been doing a Suno. Okay, I'm interested to see how this goes. Override styles. No, keep current style. Oh, shit, it transcribed my final crack. Okay, okay, let's see. Oh, shit, let's go. Meanwhile, Quen, what's it doing? Title has been set. There's no tags. Oh, it's going to add tags now. Wow. Haven't seen any of the models do that before. Quen 27B, really something special, huh? All right. Oh shit, it's my voice. I'm testing LLMs. I'm testing all of them. Large language models, 27 billion Quen. I'm testing 3.8. I'm copping all the hate. If the stealth, I don't care. I'll test them, put them on my plate. I'm testing 5.6. I'm testing Sol and Luna. Terra, I don't want it if you don't on my computer. I'm testing open coder. Big code, yeah, let's go. I'm testing all these models you don't even know. Epic Fusion, what's up? I'm testing Claude Opus. I'm testing Claude Fable. I'm testing Claude Haiku. You know what I enable.
Are you the guy who did ads for Augment Code?
Yeah, that's me, bro.
2 billion tokens per day. That's how I'm breaking through. I'm burning all them tokens. I'm burning all this cash. I'm burning through this, and I ain't even
Dude, this is fire.
So it can use mouse drive while how are doing other stuff.
Yeah.
Are we talking playwright or something?
No, it's CUA Driver. It does it in the background somehow. I'm not sure exactly how.
What's your opinion on New York's alpha model?
It's too slow and not that smart.
That's a dark beat.
I'm testing LLMs, I'm testing all of them. Large language models, 27 billion Quen. I'm testing 3.8, I'm copping all the hate. If the stealth, I don't care, I test them, put them on my plate. I'm testing.
Have you tried Suno Studio?
No, I don't have the paid plan for that. Like, I can't even. Oh, can we get a bro?
I'm testing Claude Opus, I'm testing Claude Fable, I'm testing Claude Haiku. You don't know what I enable. I'm putting them in goals, I'm putting them in loops. 2 billion tokens per day, that's how I'm breaking through. I'm burning.
Dude, this is sick.
I'm burning all this cash, I'm burning through this, and I ain't.
I used to see your ads all the time on YouTube. That's how I recognized you.
Yeah, dude, we put a lot of money in those ads, I think. Or at least for me. I don't know. I guess it just things
You want?
here.
I have 1 month free.
I'm testing all. 1 month free of Suno Studio. Yeah, I mean, sounds pretty good.
The share. That's my new codering music.
Do share? Okay, yeah. I'll put it on. I'm gonna tweet it. My new single. I'm testing
how's it going?
LLMs. It's going good, X. How are you?
Have you tried Lyria 3.5 model from Google?
I'm testing LLMs.
I haven't.
I'm testing all of them. Large language models, 27 billion Quen. I'm testing 3.8. I'm copping all the hate. If the stealth, I don't care. I'll test them, put them on my plate. I'm testing 5.6. I'm testing Sol and Luna.
Yo, Carlos. Let's go. Thanks for the retweet.
I'm testing LLMs. I'm testing all of them. Large language
I gotta put the hood on for this.
27 billion Quen. I'm testing
3.5.
Any model, platform for social media posts
Oh, let's
with
hear this
almost
one.
real lip sync and voice.
Social media posts with
I'm testing
real lip sync.
I'm testing all of them.
Yeah. HeyGen and Hedra. Those are the two I've used. They're pretty good. Damn, Quen has taken a while. How long has this been now? 25 minutes. Okay, Quen is good, but it works a lot. I guess. Oh, it's already... Dude, it's added these tags. I've never seen a model add these tags before. What it hasn't done is add the thumbnail. But I'm going to let it cook. Like, I'm liking where it's going.
Large language models, 27 billion Quen. I'm testing 3.8. I'm copping all the hate. If this stealth, I don't care. I'll test them, put them on my plate. I'm testing 5.6. I'm testing.
I send it to your Discord MSN.
I don't want it.
Appreciate you, Carlos.
On my computer, I'm testing OpenRouter. Big code.
What's your usual go-to model right now?
Honestly, I'm in like an in-between phase of testing models.
What about Higgsfield?
Higgsfield I haven't tried, and they're just an aggregator, so I'd go to the source if you can. But I really liked 5.6 Luna for the longest time. This month, it's like since it came out. Like it with the Codex app on Mac is able to do like computer use stuff so well.
Would you try
I can
Kimi
show you.
Webridge too? I wonder how long it would take Quen with that versus CUA.
I could try it. I tried the Orca browser or Orca computer use, and I think CUA was better. Kimi Webridge, I don't have high hopes for, so I don't. If I'm running into issues with CUA Driver, then I'll start looking for something else. Dude, making that song was fun. I want to make another one. What should I make this new song about? Let's get some ideas with ChatGPT. Based off what you know about me, what should my next rap song be about? I guess it doesn't have to be rap. Coming to America through a safe software engineer path. The concept is pending. I want something more trendy and SEO. GTA 6 plus AI. We got AGI before GTA 6. That's good. Okay. AI before GTA 6. AGI before
One
GTA 6.
TPS was the one I installed just now, not Pi timestamps. Want me to swap TPS out and install Pi timestamps instead?
No, that's all good. We already have a good timestamps one. Did you have TPS in? I just want that as well.
Yep, TPS is still installed.
Okay. I'm going to make a new song called We Got AGI Before GTA 6. Run the script. Viral clip. Before I could even blink. 10 years for this shit. AGI, tell me why overnight. Yeah, 9 to 5. Took my job. Goodbye. Okay. All right. This might take a few takes, but we're going to see how we can make this AGI before GTA 6 song. All right, let's also get an intro. Give me an intro ideas. Give me 3 intro ideas. AGI before GTA 6. Breaking news, Rockstar ain't dropped that shit. Meanwhile, my laptop became sentient. AI got a job. AI got a bitch. AI made a movie. AI made a hit. AI might replace me before Rockstar ships. We got AGI before GTA 6. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, let's go. Wait, can I just press this once? AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie and AI made a hit. AI might replace me before
I made
Rockstar
this
ships.
GPT
We
with
got
meta tags.
AGI before
Cucciolo
GTA
100.
6. Yeah, AI's taking everything and making viral clips. I used to be creators, now I can't create shit without AI. AI took my shit. And damn it, dude, that TTS really tripped me up. All right, let's just make this anyway and see how it goes. Suno does pretty good at like looping. I made this GPT with meta tags. What's that all about? Okay, we'll let that upload. Quen, taken 30 minutes. I might stop it here because I want to show you guys how well Luna does with computer use. So yeah, I'm gonna stop it. So 30 minutes in, Quen was able to upload and stage the video. It also added tags, which I've never seen any agent do before. That's really cool. It didn't do the thumbnail. Didn't do the thumbnail. But we already have one in my trash. Let me just let me just bring back this one. Huh? Oh, I think I gotta move it out of the bin first and then into here. Okay, whatever, that'll work. Why I pay 0, 0. Whatever, I'm gonna just post this. Just because I think it's fine. It's whatever. Is it even public? What is this? Oh, it's in a draft. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I think we have a new video to stage and upload. And this is from Complete. Let's see. Oh, it's not here. Testing it. Oh no, it's this. Okay. Aren't skills just like appended context? This is gonna be from scratch. There's no like transcription for this or anything. And we're gonna give the same prompt I've given all these 3 models: stage, video link to YouTube. And I'm pretty sure Luna can absolutely ace this task. But we'll see. I kind of low-key think it's been nerfed as well. So we'll see. Stage to YouTube. Oh, I have gift credits? That's nice. Let's see. Well, better not leak it. Oh, I have to pay to gift them. Okay. Oh. Okay. So let's start the timer. Ready, set, go. Oh, it's reading the CUA driver skill. I think it's better if it uses its own computer use. I should disable CUA driver. I have a thing for that. Can you also disable the CUA driver skill for Codex? Okay, it's going to generate the cover image first. And we're 1 minute in. While that's cooking, let's see if I can go back to Suno. Nice. Okay, AGI Before GTA 6 song coming up. Yeah, this is using CUA. Okay, I'm going to stop this. We're going to wait till the CUA driver is disabled, and then we're going to try again. Because Codex really shines with its own like computer use and browser use. Where's DeepSeek here? Where's A6 API? Where's free model? Okay, code driver is disabled. I might need to restart ChatGPT, so I'll just do that just in case. I don't know if I do, but better safe than sorry. Oh, new song. Okay. All right, Luna High. Let's go. AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie and AI made a hit.
AI might replace me before I take a shit. We got AGI before GTA 6. Yeah, AI's taking everything and making viral clips. I used to be creative, now I can't create shit without AI. AI took my shit and 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 AI.
Yo, Zipper.
AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie. AI made a hit. AI might replace me before I take a shit. We got that AGI before GTA 6. Yeah, AI's taking everything and making viral clips. I used to be creative, now I can't create shit without AI. AI took my shit and
Alright, publish it. Oh, here we go.
AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie and AI made a hit. AI might replace me before I take a shit. We got AGI.
Forgot to add DeepSeek, yeah.
GTA 6, yeah. AI's taking everything and making viral clips. I used to be creative, now I can't create.
Alright, I really like the start here. Dude, we could just change the lyrics in Suno. That's crazy. AI took my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie and AI made a hit. AI might replace me before I take a sick. We got AGI before GTA 6. Okay, from here is good. And then what should I do next? Let's just write out the next part. Oh, I should have restarted this. I think Luna has its own timer though. Yeah, it does. Okay. That's fine. So yeah, dude, check it out. Luna, 2 minutes in, it's already on the upload stage. That means it probably already has the. All right, let's say that again. Okay, we're with Luna. We're 2 minutes in. Okay, we're with Luna. We're 3 minutes in. It's already at the upload stage. Luna absolutely kills it with the browser use. I think it's already generated the title, the video. It might have even transcribed it, researched it. I wish I could see more tool calls. Oh, we can. Okay, let's just close this. Okay, let's see what it. Oh, we can't see individual. Yeah, I don't like how I can't see individual stuff. Oh, it still read the CUA driver upload load. Oh, interesting. Okay, I think that's fine. Oh, shit. Okay, so it put a pretty small title and description. It's trying to jump straight to visibility, but it didn't do the ad harness stuff, the ad suitability. Mind you, Quen didn't even get up to this stage in 30 minutes, but it did do a lot of the other stuff to better quality. Like it had a really good description, it added tags. But, you know, my ask was just to stage it. So that's kind of already done. Like Luna did stage that video in 4 minutes. Dude, yeah, Luna Cerebrus. Wow. Or even Soul Cerebrus, if it's cheap enough. But yeah, all right, let's see how it goes. We could also, can we bring back the picture in picture? There we go. Okay. AI made it quick. Dude, we could just say AI all this shit. Where's my Suno? There we go. AI made it quick. AI made a movie and AI made it quick. Made a hit. We got AGI before GTA 6. AI rewrote. AI did my taxes. AI did it quick. AI. Boom! It did. Okay. Luna finished in 5 minutes. The video is on YouTube as a draft. Perfectly like I asked. Yeah. That's why I'm saying, like, I'm probably just gonna buy the Codex up again because their computer use browser use is unmatched. What do we think could beat this? Any potential model on Pi could beat the 5-minute benchmark set by Luna? What do we think? Did we try 3.7 Flash? I'm not sure if we did. Let's see if I can try that. We should get a new video though. Simplify them. Let me upload a new video. Download a new video. AI did my thesis. Yep. Okay, let me see what videos next. This one? I think this is our new app. I'm gonna start Okay, yeah, this is good. What's that called? My Codex sub ran out, so I built a live co-host. Okay, we're gonna make a vertical clip from this relatively quickly. Let's see what layout I want. This is kind of what I do first, is layout, it seems. Talking head bottom? No. Let's do, yeah, vertical zoomed out. Okay. I think this is our new app. I'm gonna start transcribing. Allow the mic. And now this will transcribe everything I say live. And yeah, so this is the Ultra Live Transcribe app that we've just made. And we have added this co-host mode because my subscription just... Whoa. Okay, I think we move around this thing a bit much. All right. Let's see. This is our new app. I'm going to start transcribing. Allow the mic. And now this will... All right, how do I add this to all? All marked. Okay, I think that's how. Wait, did that work? No. That's the opposite of what I want. All. Wait, did that? Yeah, no. Marked all. Clear the marked. Oh, I need to either make a new... Okay, I probably need a better way to do this, but let's just make a new bottom. I'm like making too many of these layouts, but this is one way to do it. Okay. Sonnet 5 will be fast. I don't know if Sonnet 5 could beat the 5-minute. Okay, we'll try that next. I think the biggest issue there is Sonnet 5. I have Claude set up with the Claude in Chrome browser. So that's what it'll be using. It might use CUA Driver too. I think it'll still have access to that. We'll see. Okay, let's scrub through. Let's see everything. Okay, everything seems fine. All right, now we're going to cut the story. This is our new app. I'm going to start transcribing. Allow the mic. And now this will transcribe everything I say live. Yeah, this is Ultra Live Transcribe. We just made it. We just had a co-host mode because that subscription ran out. No. Cheaper models. Okay, we don't need that. This first thing I want to do, I'm using OmniRouter. Our agent here will go through, and I think it's gonna... Oh. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Current topic overlay. Current topic in the overlay. Accessing the co-host launch. Click co-host base UI. Okay, so this is a pretty crappy reel. I mean, it's just the hook. This is our new... But what we can do is go into the story, and there can be other points of story that we can add here. I mean, this UI is pretty crap, but So far, we just have the hook. I think in this video, we don't actually add much else. If I control... Oh, we can also go into the raw transcript. I mean, I can search for like host here, and then I can see if there's anything else related. So where do we see host? Okay, so all of these lines contain host. Co-host is enabled. Fix it. Damn, maybe Luna can't fix this. I don't see any co-host here. So this app, which is taking my transcription. All right. All right, I'm back. Damn, Luna finished. Okay. Access co-host switch. Yep, I think I did. Running overlay, open it to co-host pi log, go to full text. Okay, I don't think I actually got. I thought Grok was a bad model. I don't think I actually got co-host working in this stream. So, could just render this 15-second. All right, fuck it. We're just gonna render this 15-second clip just to test Sonnet 5. All right, we're gonna test Sonnet 5 next to upload this clip to YouTube once it renders. Transcribe app. We're also writing a song about AGI before GTA 6. In the Suno tab, which, oh, we lose it. It's kind of like this.
AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie. AI made a hit. AI might replace me
before I take a shit. Got it.
AGI before GTA 6. Yeah.
Before I take a shit. Wait.
Making viral clips. I used to be creative. Now I can't create shit without AI. AI took my shit. And
I used to write code by hand. Now AI hold my hand through it. Man, that AI hold my hand. Now AI code my band. Hold my hand. AI code my plans. AI 925. AI to my brain, yes. AI 9 to 5. AGI. Damn it, man. Hold on. What happens if I do help me write here? Finish this song. Nice. Couldn't apply the edit. Could apply everything. How do I finish it? Finish the song. Come on. Man. All right, let's get ChatGPT to finish this. Finish this. All right. What the F is happening? No one planned for this. Rockstar been cooking since I was a kid. Damn, there's a whole ass song. All right. Let's go. And then we have our new video. All right, Sonnet 5. Shout out to who suggested that? Norfelt. They suggest. Ooh, what's this? Playlist mode. Oh shit. Oh, okay. I think we're back. They suggested we try Sonnet 5. to do the upload. Compare Sonnet 5 to Luna. So Luna did this task in about 5 minutes. We're going to see how how Claude with Sonnet does. And yeah, it's the same prompt. I go stage, file path to YouTube. That's the exact same prompt I've given. I've tried Luna. I've tried the new OX Alpha Stealth model. I've tried Quen 3.827B and Gemma on Cerebrus. Gemma and OX Alpha didn't even get to the YouTube upload stage. They just made the copy and the thumbnail. Let's see how Sonnet does. Oh, did they give us a time? All right, we should start a timer. And we got the timer. Okay. And then also Suna is making a AGI before GTA 6 song.
AI got my job. AI took my
That's not my voice.
AI made a movie and AI made a hit.
Is that meant to be my voice? It is.
Before I take a shit, we got AGI before GTA 6. I used to write code by hand. Now AI hold my hand. Now AI code my plans. Just type make it better than pretend I understand. I'm prompt, whole app, one click, whole stack. Spent 4 years learning code. Should've learned how to chat. Claude in one tab. Codex in the back. Chat GPT know me better than half of my contacts. Everybody got an agent. Everybody got a clone. My AI answering emails while I'm scrolling on my phone. What the fuck is happening? Nobody planned for this. Rockstar been cooking since I was a kid. We got AI.
Claude actually asked me a question of whether I wanted to add the copy and run the whole pipeline or just upload it. And I just said just upload it just because I want to see how fast it goes compared to Luna.
Before GTA 6, robots got careers before GTA 6. AI making films before GTA 6. I might be unemployed before GTA 6. We got AI before GTA 6. Whole damn world got patched and switched. 10 years later, Rockstar still won't ship. We got AI before GTA 6.
Okay, I think I'm going to try sing it in my own voice. Kind of want my own voice. Yo, Nora Vadine, what are we doing? We're testing out a few different models to be able to upload to YouTube. And Luna 5.6 absolutely destroys everything, I think. Okay, so this is using CUA Driver. Which, yeah, it's just the Codex computer use is unlike any other. What I'm also doing is making this AGI before GTA 6 song. And I did it with just the lyrics, but the voice didn't sound like me, even though I have this voice thing. So I'm going to manually sing this, I guess. AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie and AI made a hit. AI might replace me before I take a shit. We got AGI before GTA 6. I used to write code by hand. Now AI hold my hand. Now AI code my plans. I think I peed my pants. I type, make it better, but I don't understand. I don't review this shit. I just press the plan button. One prompt, a whole app. One click, a whole stack. I spent 12 years writing code. I should have learned how to chat to other people's, bro. What am I doing, chat? Claude in one tap, Codex in the back. Pi orchestrating, that's how I do that stack. Chat GPT know me better than all of my contacts. Everybody got an agent, but nobody on the back. All right. That was close enough. Meanwhile, Claude, okay, Claude's doing progress. It's uploaded it. Boom. It saved it. Okay. It did the same as Luna. In about the same time, dude. That's not bad. Sonnet 5 actually kept up with Luna. I guess I shouldn't be surprised. It's not the model that's the difference. It's the harness really with the computer use. So Claude used Claude in Chrome, and it seems to work just as good as Codex chat. So that's pretty good to know. That's pretty good to know. Maybe a bit slower, definitely more expensive, I think, which is the main issue is like Sonnet 5 pricing versus Luna pricing. We can have a look on OpenRouter to see the exact difference in price. Sonnet 5 is 2 in, 10 out. You also have to consider how many tokens they burn too, which is another thing, but this will give us a rough estimate. And then Luna is 20 cents in, 120 out. This is literally like 10 times cheaper, if not more, to do it with Luna. So it's just crazy. But yeah, Sonnet 5 with Claude Code seems just as good. So that's good to know at least, because right now I have more Claude usage than Codex usage. All right. Wait, is this the menu? What happened to my recording? Oh man. I don't know if my recording worked. Maybe I can browse. Oh yeah. Okay, good. It's this one. Okay, there we go. So I think these still aren't my voice. Yeah, that's not me. Where is it? Oh, kind of.
AI got my job. AI took my bitch.
Okay, what about this one? This one should be more my voice.
We got AGI.
No, it's the same.
We got a guy.
A guy.
We got a guy before GTA 6. AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie and AI made a hit. AI might replace me before I take a shit. We got AGI before GTA 6. I used to write code by hand. Now AI hold my hand. Now AI code my plans. I just type, make it better, then pretend I understand. One prompt, whole app. One click, whole stack. Spent 4 years learning code. Should've learned how to chat. Claude in one tab, Codex in the back. Chat GPT know me better than half of my contacts. Everybody got an agent. Everybody got a clone. My AI answering email.
Yo, what's up, Brown Dick?
We got AGI before GTA 6. We got AI.
Okay. So to sum up, let's do an Excalibur draw. So we just did like a little small eval suite of where is everything? Let's go August 21 evals. We tested stealth, OX alpha. I think it's actually OX. I don't know. And then we also tested Cerebrus, Gemma 4. And then we also tested OpenRouter, Quen 3.8, 27B. And then Codex, Luna, High, and Claude, Sonnet 5. Okay. So this one was hella slow, only copy. Only made copy. This one was hella fast, but also only made copy. This one very meticulous. Over 30-minute run, which I stopped. But yeah, it seems good. And then Luna High, 5-minute run, basics achieved. And then same with Sonnet 5-minute run, basics achieved. My winner is still Luna because I think it's the cheapest, best balance. But yeah, I mean, a Sonnet 5 seems pretty good. Like, definitely capable with the harness. I want to try something else with the Pi harness, though. What else? What, like one more model? I think Gemini 3.7. I think that's what I'm going to try. Let me open up Pi. How good is OX alpha? It's too slow and not that good, I think. Let me try get Gemini 3.7 flash high on OpenRouter. Yes, okay. Gemini 3.7 flash high. We're gonna do the same prompt. I want to give it a new model though, a new video though, so we don't have, I don't know, sometimes if it like sees the video's already uploaded, it might be like, oh, it's already uploaded or something like that. So let's see, what's this? Had to pay for the tokens. Luna comes in. Okay, this should be interesting. Luna comes in at 10 cents slash 6. Huh? I think 731 is a good one. And 7 cents, 15 cents. So DeepSeek is cheaper. Oh, but that's with the Baidu discount. And then also Luna is discounted through OpenAI. Just trimming up some of the speech here. Fable row. Okay. All right, let's just say we're going with that. And then let me change the layout. Talking head bottom, boom. Put the captions here. All right, let's export this. Actually, I'll also remove the ums and ahs and every pause. Scanning. Why is it scanning? Okay, there we go. Remove. All right. Render final. Okay. Once that renders, we'll see how good Gemini 3.7 Flash is. People are saying this is an underrated model, Gemini 3.7 Flash. Let's see how expensive it is while we wait. I think it should be pretty cheap. 37 and 180. Okay, so more expensive than Luna. But maybe faster. Let's see. What's Luna's TPS? Anywhere from 40 to 80. Gemini is anywhere from 80 to 130. Okay, much faster with Gemini. Looks like they're currently like 75% off too. So this price isn't the normal price. It's just the current price for Gemini. 75% off, quite a lot. But I think this Luna price is the locked-in price now. So I don't think this is going more expensive. All right, is my video ready? Still rendering. Give it some time. Backend. Backend.
Got my job. AI. We got AGI.
You see those things? I can't do it.
AI got my job. AI took my bitch. AI made a movie and AI made a hit. AI might replace me before I take a shit. We got AGI before GTA 6. I used to write code by hand. Now AI hold my hand. Now AI code my plans. I just type, make it better than pretend I understand. One prompt, whole app. One click, whole stack. Spent 4 years learning code. Should've learned how to chat. All in one tab. Codex in the back chat. GPT know me better than half of my contacts. Everybody got an agent. Everybody got a clone. My AI answering emails while I'm scrolling on my phone. What the fuck is happening? Nobody planned for this. Rockstar been cooking since I was a kid. We got it before GTA 6. Robots got careers before GTA 6. AI making films before GTA 6. I might be unemployed before GTA 6. We got it before GTA 6. Whole damn world got patched and switched. 10 years later, Rockstar still won't ship. We got AGI before GTA 6. We got it before GTA 6.
All right, the video's ready.
My fridge got Wi-Fi. My car can drive. My phone made a song and the singer ain't alive. Deep fake me once. Deep fake me twice. So I saw myself selling crypto. I ain't even know the price.
Okay, we're gonna test out Gemini 3.6. Sorry, we're gonna test out Gemini 3.7 Flash. Currently 75% off on OpenRouter. We're doing the same task we did with the other 4 models. Let's go. Boom. Video editor looks nice. Thanks, man. Yeah, I think I've really cooked with it. I'm impressed. Like, these coding models have gotten so good. I was able to whip out this video editor in like a week. It's nice. All right, dude. Gemini is fast here, dude. We could potentially be getting over 100 tokens per second here. How's it going? Okay, it's just reading a bunch of files. It's verifying if a transcription. Dude, this is pretty good. It's gonna see if it might need to transcribe it. This is what we should be looking at here. It's gonna transcribe it. Okay, this is good. I actually do want it to be transcribed so it knows exactly what the video is about. Yeah, it's actually understanding what the video is about. So I was checking the price of DeepSeek versus, I think, Luna, although I haven't seen it mention Luna. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and still hasn't opened YouTube. I think it's burning a lot of tokens too. 277,000 tokens sent. Okay, now it's finally using CUA Driver. So it's gonna start using computer use. It can come in clutch here. If it uploads this video in the next 2 minutes. Come on, Gemini. You seeing overthinking in the OX alpha? Yeah, it could be the case. Okay, it's attached to Chrome. It's gonna try use the macOS CUA exec. Okay. It's using the CDP, I think, in CUA Driver. That's why we got that message. It's approaching 5 minutes. I think it's definitely gonna underperform versus Luna and Sonnet. Though a minute here and there, you know, it's not a big deal. What's more of an issue, I think, is the amount of tokens it burns. Sometimes it's good. Like, it definitely seems like it's very meticulous, which I think is a plus if it's under the time. So, like, going through, checking things, transcribing if it needs. But yeah, struggling to get YouTube up, it seems. Which seems pretty basic. Yo, the Forts, what's up, bro? We're trying to test different models to upload a video on YouTube. Right now we're testing Gemini 3.7 Flash. It's struggling. I don't see YouTube open. We'll give it some more time. It's only been 5 minutes. We'll give it like at least 10. How you been, man? What's new? Oh shit, the YouTube gift. Thank you for that, man. Appreciate you. OX Alpha is 100. Okay, so you're liking OX Alpha? I mean, I only did one test and it was just too slow for me, and the result wasn't even that good. What did you try in? I was trying like some computer use stuff, like pretty much the same thing I'm doing here. Okay, I still don't see YouTube open. Oh no, it's saying it's on YouTube. Oh, it's in the background. Maybe it's this tab. Okay, okay. It was doing it in the background. Okay, that's good. How long has it been? 7 minutes. Not bad. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe it actually adds like a good title and description. It says the user says XYZ like multiple times. Yeah, a lot of the models do that in their reasoning trace. Not Gemini, but I think like a lot of these closed source models, they hide all of that really over the top reasoning. Bam! So it added a description. Oh shit, dude! Look, Gemini is blazing through it. It saved it. Okay, that's pretty good. Honestly, Gemini 3.7. Low key, pretty good. How much Gemini usage do you get in like the anti-gravity plans? And does anti-gravity have a good computer use? It's miserably slow. Yeah, that's what I've been saying. Ask it about things before 1989 if it's Chinese, it'll look up. Interesting. Okay. I mean, Gemini did it pretty well. I think it actually got the best title and description kind of thing. Because, like, look, if we go into the studio, oh, it's done. 9 minutes. Pretty impressive. Okay, so content shorts. So this is the Gemini model. Actually got a good title and description. Oh, actually, so did Luna and Codex. I mean Claude. Okay, but it took 9 minutes, which is slower than Luna did it in 5 minutes. Sonnet did it in. How long did Sonnet do it in? Like 6. Turns out our TPS was only 60. We could have gotten up to 100, but I guess that could be the average as well. 500,000 tokens in though. It's definitely overdoing, I think. But when you need that, it could be good. Okay. It's past DeepSeek daily tokens usage. I bought open code Go for it, and I still can't find it if it's beneficial or not. Damn. Yeah. So I guess I'll add. I mean, we didn't get to Berry Game today, but that's okay. I think we've been streaming for almost 3 hours, 2.5. Google Gemini 3.7 Flash 9 min run. Guess this is beyond basics. Wait, did it do a thumbnail? I think it didn't do a thumbnail. I guess this is basics achieved as well. I don't think we get the token spend of... Wait, do we have the token spend of Sonnet? Is there a way to see how many tokens we spent in the last agent turn on... on... What do you call this thing? Claude code. Wait, what about usage? Oh, here we go. Current session. Here we go. Current session. What's the input? 212? How is that possible? Oh, with a 200k cache, right? I suppose that was it? Yeah, I don't know. I can't really tell how that relates. But yeah. I think Luna is still my goat. So that's why I'm leaning towards buying that. Oh, let's test Grok. Let's test Grok as well. Let's make one more video, one more test. We're gonna do Grok. Grok 4 or 6 or whatever. Let's see how that price compares to. So yeah, Luna is kind of the base thing I'm comparing it to. 20 cents in, 120 out. If we search for Grok for 6, $2 in, $6 out. So it's almost not even worth comparing. It's like more than 10 times more expensive. Yo, Chungus, what's up? We just compared 6 different models on this task of uploading a video to YouTube. And this was the result. So there's a new model that's completely free and unlimited called OX Alpha. For me, it was hella slow and only made the copy, no upload. And same with, I also tested, well, similar to Cerebrus Gemma 4. It was hella fast. It finished in like very little time, but it only made the copy, no upload. You know, I want to give Gemma actually another go. Let's also see how much that cost me. I want to see if I tell Gemma to actually upload. Damn, that cost me 25 cents. And 250,000 tokens. So it always seems about 250. I want to see if I tell Gemma to actually upload, if it will do it. So let me export one more video. So I'm going into the video editor that I built myself. Let's see. Grok is fast. That's not the point. Grok. Yep. Grok's here. See how fast. This should be fast. Oh. Okay. I think. How fast is Haiku through OpenRouter? Can't really get Codex subscription. Shout out to Codex. When Pi actually beats Claude Code. Pi for whatever you these aren't vertical. Do you think Pi is better than Claude? So I've actually reached Ant one. Ants. The cheap. But the thinking is in Chinese. Oh, whatever. Let's just do this one. That one, this is the start. Let's do this. Let's also get a bit of layout. Okay, I kind of like the screen being bigger in this. Okay. Let's do that. Gotta make it easy to delete these later. All right, testing in Chinese one. Maybe it looks faster. Chinese one. I can also like split a section there and then zoom in on just that segment. So it can be like, see? Okay. Thinking is in Chinese. How do I cut this word? Okay. What if I press this? You're gonna translate. This ended up not working, so I might not include that. 10 yuan, it's almost 10x. Okay, that's a clip. Cut all the ums and ahs. Cut all the pauses. Render the final clip. Something happened to my audio? Oh no. Or is that how your video editor audio? It sounded fine to me. I don't know. It could be some weird thing that's playing through the computer. What's my take on a DeepSeek price increase? Oh, I didn't see the DeepSeek price increase. Let me have a look. I saw that they added vision. But yeah, I don't know about the price increase. Effective August 16. Increased its price 4 times. Oh, I've been using it past this time. So, I mean, it's still pretty cheap. It's like on par with Luna. So, yeah, I think it's fine. Not a big issue. It was extremely cursed on TikTok, Sen. Oh, shit. Let me open up TikTok on my phone. Let's see what I sound like. And then we can play it and I'll have a better understanding. Hello, test 1 2. Hello, test 1 2. Okay, so the mic sounds fine. Let's play this now. Oh, wow. Yeah. It's extremely bad. That's interesting. Huh. What about on YouTube? Wow, it's even bad on YouTube. Wait, so what if you guys were hearing the songs? Does that sound fucked up too? Wait, I'm not even up to there yet. It is. Wait, what about at the start? Was it always like this? I swear you guys could hear it before, right? Just saying they were hearing it on stream and stuff. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened to the audio. Oh, whatever. I don't think I'm gonna bother fixing it because it was fine when you joined. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened. Thanks for pointing it out, though. This video should be rendered. Nope, it's still rendering. 210 seconds to go. I'm going to test. What model were we going to test? I forgot. Was it Grok? No, there was. Oh, Gemma with Cerebrus. Yeah, we're going to test Cerebrus again. Let's load it up while we wait, I guess. Cerebrus, Gemma. Oh. Gemma. Here we go. Gemma 4. Yeah, I think that'll work. Gemma 4 through Cerebrus. Render failed. What the fuck? Okay, I'll try again. I want to see if we can beat Luna's 5 minutes. I'm gonna go to the toilet real quick while that renders too. Be right back. Yo, okay, so the render keeps failing. Weirdly. I'm gonna save this. See if I can. Nope, nothing in the. Should we debug this? I'm gonna try one prompt to debug it. Uh, 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 uh. Give it this. Be like, I just tried to render, but it failed. Can you see why? I won't say and fix. This is just Sonnet 5. I like never use Sonnet 5, but we'll see. I mean, it's pretty fast. If you can fix this export. We can also try Gemma with an existing video. It shouldn't make too much of a problem. Yeah, what if we do that? Let me find an existing video. Sonnet 5 is all I use because I'm on the poor $20 plan. Damn, okay. 3D game app. 3D game app vibe coded before? Yes. Alright, let's just... I'm just going to copy this. Oh, found it. The render job, cheaper, blah, 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 return 0, rerunning that exec command. Same class of issues. 2 ways to unblock it. Okay, so there's an issue with overlaps. Interesting. Clamp overheads instead of failing. Quick, but a permanent, more silent. All right, let's just do number 2. Okay, then we should probably then we'll actually get the render, so I can give it a proper test with Gemma. Okay. I'll wait for this. Now retry the render. Okay. Hopefully it works now. Let's see. What's this? Someone share this on Discord. Hidden translator. Talk like you normally talk. Press send. Then say if this is more useful than chatting with AI the usual way. 3 messages left. Say however you naturally would. You should get a shorter, clearer reply. Okay. How should I prepare for the post AGI world? Translation failed. All right, there you go. There's my feedback. Okay, nice. This finished. Great. All right. Now, the moment I've been waiting for is getting Gemma to stage this to YouTube, do the upload as draft. Okay, so now I've actually told it to upload the video. Let's see how it goes. This is super fast. This could be like over 1,000 tokens per second. Yo, hey, what's up? Any suggestion for free model? Yeah, OX Alpha is the new latest free hyped model. So maybe try that. Honestly, like I didn't think it was that great. But if you get, I think you get DeepSeek Flash for free some places, and also Quen 3.827B. That one's a pretty good model. So yeah, if you find those, if you drop in the Discord, other people know better. I have staged the video for upload. I attempted to upload the browser, but I encountered systematic issue. Debug the issue and upload. Okay, I'm gonna just give it one backup prompt. It tried to exit out early. How long does it say how long that was? And the TPS. That would be good to know. Oh, it's only 60 tokens per second? I don't know if that's accurate. And 300,000 in. Okay, let's see. Yeah, these models really struggle to use CUA Driver a lot of the time. Can't find DeepSeek for Flash anywhere now. Yeah, since OpenCode removed it. Am I using Pi? Yeah, using Pi. Okay, it opened the YouTube dashboard. It opened it in this window because that's what I had open, but we'll just move it here. Meanwhile, I'm gonna see if I can find the free model. Oh shit, okay. I've successfully staged a video, however, I'm encountering persistent issue. Damn. It relies on this get Windows state, which always fails, and the other models have to go around it. So low-key, it's a harness issue, but we also saw Quen get around it, so it's not exactly a harness issue. So yeah, I'm gonna give Gemma a kind of fail. I don't think it's good enough for this. All right, so let me see if I can find a good free model for A before we wrap up. And then yeah, if you guys have any final questions, let me know because I will wrap up after this. So I did an ask for, where's my GM message? 5 a.m. 6. Oh, here. Muse outperforms Muse Spark. $2 pass. Open code remove GPT Vision. Best free model. Let's see what TF bot says. We could also ask. This actually be a good ask for Gemma. Model Gemma. Find the latest or best way to get free models with by searching the last month's Discroll DB. Also I think Cursor has a free tier now. So maybe that's the go. Open code free. DeepSeek Flash. I think that's on open code. Oh no, $2 for client password via the CLI. Nels portal. I think that's paid though. Quen, that's running at home. Manus. Manus is free right now. That's true. Try that. Manus Manus AI. Manus.im. I think it's like for free right now. Although it still has pricing. I've heard it's free. I don't know. Cerebrus Gemma is not working great for me. But I think the ask actually kind of works. Yeah. Anyway, come through on the Discord if you want follow-up questions. Techfriend.net. The Discord link is there, and by clicking this, you can also go techfriend.net/Discord. That should also just go directly to the Discord invite link. Yeah, it's TECHFREN. People still use Manus. I don't think it's as popular as it once was, but yeah, people still use it. All right, guys, thanks for joining the stream today. Hope you enjoyed or were entertained or learned something or were inspired. And I'll see you all next time. Peace out. And our thank you screen does not work anymore.